Good morning everyone, it's Fiona from Yellow Brick Road, St Mary's, and today I'm discussing reverse mortgages. So do you have parents who have a beautiful home, completely paid out and living on the pension? Well, if this is the case, a reverse mortgage is for them. So what happens is, I've got a few points that you need to think about with reverse mortgages. First of all, the basics. Minimum age, 65 for the youngest applicant. Right? Second of all, the maximum amount the bank will lend you is 25% of the value of the home. So if your home's worth $1 million, the maximum sum of the banks will give you is $250,000. And lastly, with a reverse mortgage, there are no repayments required because the interest is capitalised throughout the term of the loan. All right? Second point. With a reverse mortgage, it is crucial and also necessary that you receive independent and legal and financial advice, because you need to know you need to know how it affects you, how it affects your aged care, how it affects Centrelink, and also the inheritance. Lastly, a reverse mortgage ends when either or both of the applicants either pass away, sell their home for whatever reason, or both move into a retirement village or a retirement home. All right? Now, just a quick recap. First of all, minimum age 65. You can't get more than 25% equity of the home. All right? You need to seek legal and financial advice. And lastly, the reverse mortgage ends when you sell your home, when you move out and go to a retirement village, or when you pass away. Now, not all brokers are accredited with reverse mortgages. I myself did my accreditation again over the weekend because it needs to be done every year. So that you're aware of the latest changes within the policies and all that kind of stuff. So, if you need any further information on reverse mortgages, feel free to leave me a message in the comments box, and have a great week.